Welcome to AI or Mathematics. In this segment, we will tell you some maths tips and tricks to make your calculation faster. In the first video, we will tell you some tricks to find the squares of any number. Let's get started. What is a square? Any number multiplied by itself is called a square. The square of a number x is denoted by x with a superscript like this or is written like this. Few examples are 2 square, which is 2 into 2, which is 4, and 10 square, which is 10 into 10, which is 100. Now let us look at the squares from 1 to 25. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225, 16 square is 256, 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324, 19 square is 361, 20 square is 400, 21 square is 441, 22 square is 484, 23 square is 529, 24 square is 576, 25 square is 625. Now let's start with the tricks to calculate the squares faster. Trick number 1 is for squares that are ending with 5. This trick is used for the numbers ending with 5. So let's get started. The trick to calculate squares ending with 5 is that if the number is a 2-digit number, then multiply the 10th digit with its next number. Multiply the product by 100 and add 25 to it. We will do this with an example. 35 square. Here the 10th digit is 3. So we multiply 3 into 4. We get 12. We multiply this by 100, which gives us 1200, and we add this to 25, which gives us 1225, and this is 35 square. We will see one more example. 45 square. Here 10th digit is 4. So we multiply 4 with its next number, that is 5, which gives us 20, which we multiply by 100 again, which gives us 2000, which we add to 25, which gives us the answer 2025. Now let us see one more example, which is 75 square. Here the 10th digit is 7. So we multiply 7 with its next number, that is 8, which gives us 56, which we multiply by 100, which gives us 5600, which we add 25 to get 5625, which is 75 square. The same trick can be applied for 3-digit numbers. We take an example of 125 square. Here we take 12 as the 10th digit and not 1 and 2 separately. So we multiply 12 and 13 to get 156, which we multiply by 100 to get 15600, which we add it to 25 to get 15625 as 125 square. We take one more example. 195 square. We multiply 19 with 20 to get 380, which we multiply by 100 to get 38,000, which we add to 25 to get 195 square as 38,025. One more example of 375 square, a bigger number this time, which is 37 into 38, which gives us 1406 into 100, which gives us 1,40,600 plus 25, which gives us 1,40,625 as our answer for 375 square. That was only for numbers ending with 5. Now I'm going to tell you a trick to find squares from 25 to 125. So this method is the fastest method to calculate squares from 25 to 125. Only one condition is required, that you should know the squares up to 25, which we had shown earlier in this video. So let's get started. So firstly, we divide the trick into two parts. First is from numbers 25 to 75. So let's get started. We'll take a number 39 to explain the trick. So the first step is you subtract the number by 50 and square it. The answer becomes your tens place and ones place respectively. If the answer is greater than 99, then carry over it to the hundreds place. So now let us explain this step using the example of 39. We subtract the number by 50. 50 minus 39 equals 11. 11 square is 121. Since 121 is greater than 99, we carry our ones to the hundreds place and our tens and ones place becomes 2 and 1 respectively. Now subtract the number by 25 and add the carryover, then multiply it by 100 and add to your answer. From our example, we subtract 39 by 25 to get 14. We add the carryover 1 from our previous step to 14 to get 15. Now we multiply this by 100 to get 1500 and add our tens and ones place from the previous step to get the square of 39 as 1521. We'll look at few more examples. First is 59 square. So the first step is to subtract 59 by 50 and squaring it, which is 9 square, which is 81. Now subtract 59 by 25 and multiply it by 100, which is 34 into 100, which is 3400. Now add it to 81, which gives us 3481 as 59 square. Now we'll look at one more example. 63 square. First step is subtract 63 by 50 and square it, which is 13 square, which is 169. Next step is subtract 25 from 63 and multiply it by 100, which is 38 into 100, which is 3800. So the square of 63 is 3969. Now we look on to the tricks from the number 75 to 100. We will take a number 107 to explain the trick. First step is to subtract the number by 100 and square it. The answer becomes a tens and ones place. Again, if the answer is greater than 99, then carry it over to the hundreds place. That is 107 minus 100, the square, which is 7 square, is 49. Since the answer is 49, our tens and ones place becomes 4 and 9 respectively. Now we subtract the number by 100 and add it to the original number. Then multiply the sum by 100 and add it to the earlier answer. So first we subtract 107 by 100 to get 7 as the answer. The 7 we add it to our question 107 to get 114 as the answer. Now 114 is multiplied by 100 to get 11400 as the answer, which we add to the earlier answer 49 to get 11449 as 107 square. Now let us look at few examples. First is 97 square. The first step is subtract 100 from 97 and square it. We get 3 square, which is 9. Then subtract 97 by 100. We get minus 3 here. Here note the sign is negative. Therefore, we subtract 97 by 3 to get 94, which on multiplying by 100 will give 9400. Now we add this 9400 to our 9 to get 9409 as 97 square. Let us look at one more example. 118 square. The first step is subtract 118 by 100 and square it to get 18 square, which is 324. Now subtract 118 by 100. Here we get 18 and the sign is positive. Therefore, we add 118 by 100 to get 136, which on multiplying by 100 will give 13,600. We add 324 from our earlier step to get the answer of 13,924 as 118 square. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed the video.